Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel. Hi, hello, hi. Dear students, welcome to our channel, Maths with Panindra. Some students are saying that in the comments, sir, whenever we are in the live, sometimes I'm not able to see. Hi, everyone. So to chat with you, I'm not displaying here. Yeah. Sometimes I may not chat with you. Why? Because I'm concentrating on explaining the concept, dear students. I hope you understand. So in Mathematics 1B, so now I'm going to explain. Most of the students, they will fear about Mathematics 1B paper. So Mathematics 1B paper, it is not at all worry. If you go with proper plan, then it will be very, very easy for you. And first I will discuss about the question paper pattern, especially in PS here. It will help in the AP students also. In Mathematics 1B paper, maximum marks 75. So how to get 75 in mathematics paper? In Mathematics Intermediate first year, Mathematics A, Mathematics B, two papers are there. In the first paper, section A, and in the question paper, three sections are there. In the three sections, section A contains very short answer type questions, VSAQs. In the very short answer type question, each carries 2 marks. Each carries 2 marks. Very short answer type questions, each carries 2 marks. There is no choice, dear students, here. So total 10 questions are there. 10 into 2. So very short answers questions, each carries 2 marks. We will get here 20 marks. Now come to the section B. In section B, short answer type questions, SAQs. In SAQs, from question number 11 to question number 17, they will give. In that question number 11 to 17, any 5 you have to write. Here choice is there. Any 5. Any 5 we have to write it. Each carries 4 marks. So 5 into 4, 20 marks. Okay. Now come to the section C. All are long answer type questions, LAQs. Here from question number 18 to question number 24, long answer type questions, each carries 7 marks. Here you have to write any 5. Here also possibility. Choice is there. Choice is not there in the section A, dear students. Section B, section C, choice is there. Out of 7 you have to write 5. Even here also out of 7 you have to write any 5. Each carries 7 marks. So 5 into 7, 35 marks. So 20 plus 20, 40 plus 35, 75. So how to get these 75 marks? Step by step I am going to write that. In the section A, we have 10 questions. There is no choice here. So if you want to get 75, you need to thorough this section. In the first section, first 2 questions are related to straight lines. First 2 questions. About straight lines, what type of questions are going to give? That I will explain clearly. Question number 1, question number 2, what type of questions? I will tell that. Next, question number 3, 3D geometry. This is the chapter number 5, 3D geometry, dear students. Straight lines, chapter number 3. 3D geometry, chapter number 5. Question number 4 belongs to plane, the plane. Question, chapter number 7. The plane chapter is 7. Okay. These 4 questions which are belongs to geometry part. So from these 4 questions, so 8 marks will come from the geometry VSAQ segment. Now come to question number 5 to question number 10. Question number 5 and question number 6, limits and continuity. Limits and continuity. Even question number 6 also. Dear students, take one paper and pen or in the book, write it properly. What way we can prepare, how to prepare the questions, the type of questions. You will get it easily. Now, question number 5, 6 and belongs to this chapter number 8, dear students. Question number 7 and 8, differentiation. Chapter number 9, differentiation. Differentiation. Chapter number 7, chapter number 8. So, question number 7 and question number 8. Chapter number 9, differentiation questions will come here. What type of questions we will discuss? Question number 9, question number 10, application of derivatives. Application of derivatives. Those who are watching, dear students, please share to your friends. Why? Because they will also get benefit through our channel. I am not doing anything favor to you, but whatever I have knowledge I am sharing with you. It will help to number of students, the students' world it will be. So that is the reason you can share to your friends also. In any WhatsApp group, whatever you have, you can share and they will also utilize. An application of derivatives. So question number 1 to question number 10, what are the chapters are available and what type of questions I am going to discuss here. Now come to section B. In section B, we have question number 11 to question number 17. Question number 11, locus. The topic 1, first topic. Second chapter, question number 12, transformation of axis. Transformation of axis. Question number 12. Question number 13, again straight lines. Question number 13, straight lines. Next, question number 14 belongs to limits and continuity. Limits and continuity. Question number 15, differentiation. Question number 15, differentiation. Question number 16, 17, application of derivatives. In that also, particularly question number 16 from tangent normals. Tangent and normal. Question number 17, rate of measure or rate measure. Rate of change simply. Even I kept a video related to rate of change in 2 months back. I think most of the students requested on behalf of rate of change, dear students. So these are the questions from 11 to 17. From which topic it is they are asking. Now come to the electives, section C. In section C, question number 18 from straight lines. Straight lines. Question number 18 from straight lines. Next, question number 19 and 20, pair of straight lines. Pair of straight lines. Next, question number 21, DCs and DRs. Chapter number, pair of straight lines, chapter number 4. DCs and DRs, chapter number 6. DCs and DRs, chapter number 6. Question number 22, differentiation. Differentiation. First 4 questions in the section C belongs to geometry. Next 3 questions belongs to calculus part. Question number 23 and 24, application of derivatives. Differentiation chapter is 9th. Application of derivatives, question number 23 and 24 belongs to application of derivatives. Question number 23 from tangent normals. Tangent and normals. Question number 24, 90% possibility from maxima, minima. Maxima and minima. This is the way the question paper is going to give in the boards, whether it is Telangana or Andhra. This is question paper pattern. In the first section, you have to write all. In the second section, you have to write any 5. In section C also, any 5 you have to write it. So now, question by question, I am going to discuss these students. In the question number 1 and question number 2 section, in the first section, I am talking about section A, first section, question number 1, question number 2 or belongs to straight lines. Dear students, you remember in the straight lines, the first question, what are the possibilities are there to ask the questions? Intercept form, the problem based on intercept form, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. How they will ask the question, dear students? Find the equation of line passing through some point 2 comma minus 4 and whose sum of the intercepts is equal to 0, like this. Sum of the intercepts a plus b equal to 0, this type of question. Another question, find the equation of straight line passing through some 5 comma 4 or minus 5 comma 4 whose intercepts are equal, making equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Like this they will ask the dear students. A is equal to b, that type. I kept a number of videos in our channel, VSCQs, straight lines like this. You can utilize. Otherwise, go to the playlist, complete straight line topic only I kept. All the different models of the questions. After that, normal form of the straight line. Normal form. What is the normal form? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, where p is perpendicular distance from origin to the line, and alpha is making an angle with x-axis to the normal to the line. Based on this, how they will ask the question? Based on normal form. Transform the equation x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 into the normal form. Number of times they asked in the question paper. Okay, dear students? After that, simple question if they want to ask. Find the equation of line passing through at1 square comma 2at1 and at2 square comma 2at2. Find the equation of line passing through 2 points. 2 point form of the straight line we have now. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Like this possibilities. Next, after this one, after normal form. Next, the possibility, they will give one line y is equal to minus root 3x plus 4. Find the angle makes with x-axis. Find the measure of an angle. So this equation compared with y is equal to mx plus c, m is equal to minus root 3, tan theta equal to minus root 3 and get it the theta value like this way. Okay, dear students. And sometimes how they will ask the question based on y is equal to mx plus c. Indirectly they will ask the equation of line whose y-intercept c is equal to 4 units and making an angle 135 degrees with x-axis in the positive direction. So theta they will give indirectly, slope of the line is there, no? M is equal to tan theta, substitute in this, m value will come, c value 4, substitute in this equation. Nowadays we observe that they will give an equation of line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. They are asking to reduce into the form of intercept form, 2 marks question, dear students. Intercept form. From this equation to intercept form means x by a plus y by b equal to 1. And second one, normal form. Sorry, not normal form, and slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is this one, y is equal to mx plus c. So like this way they are asking nowadays. After that, what possibilities are there? Next, these are the possibilities and collinear concept also. They will give 3 points. One question is there, direct question from the exercise only I am saying. A comma 0, 0 comma B and H comma K. If the points are collinear, find the condition. Find the condition if the points are collinear. Collinear concept is what? This is A point, this is B point, this is C point. If 3 points are collinear, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0, 1. Either this condition or slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Otherwise, if you don't want to apply these two, third method also there we have. Find the equation of line passing through AB, and after getting the equation of line, third point substitute in this. So here, how to proceed, sir? 2 points from the straight line we explained here. Based on that, you can take it. After getting the equation of line, wherever x comma y is there, replace with h comma k. Since the points are collinear now, so substitute will get the condition. These are the possibilities for the question number 1. In question number 2, the possibilities. Yeah, shall I have this? Still we are in the straight lines only, dear students. The number of concepts are there. If you prepare in this way, you will get 75 surely. They will give one line, L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. And 2 points also they will give, x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the ratio. The line divides the line joining of a of x1, y1, b of x2, y2. What is the formula? Minus L11 is to L22. This type of category question also they are asking. Next, they will give ax plus by plus c equal to 0 line. Find the area formed by the line with the coordinate axis. So that time answer half into area of the triangle formed by the line. Area of triangle. Half c square by AB mod. Half into c square. Compare with ax plus by plus c. Suppose for example 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is given. Find the area of triangle formed by the line 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 with respect to with the coordinate axis. So a value, b value, c value. Substitute in this and get it answer. Okay, dear students. Yeah. After that, next possibility. Find the equation of line passing through 2, 3 and parallel to 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So for that parallel line, perpendicular line, minus 3, 4, find the perpendicular line to 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Parallel line, some students are getting confused when they are asking to find perpendicular distance and perpendicular line. Length of perpendicular is different, perpendicular line is different, dear students. Keep in mind, all of you. Okay, length of perpendicular is different, perpendicular line is different. So for this type of parallel lines, we need to apply a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0 for the parallel lines. For the perpendicular lines, b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. Not compulsory to apply these formulas which are there in the textbook, dear students. Not compulsory to apply this. You can approach another methods also. Find the slope of this line minus a by b minus x coefficient by y coefficient and passing through this point x1 y1. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 also you can apply, you will get the answer. For this question, find the slope here m is equal to minus a by b. Perpendicular line means minus 1 by m. This is x1 y1. Y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m. That also will write it if you want. So another possibilities for this parallel line, another formula. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 is this point, dear students. M value where it will come, m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient in this. So minus 2 by 3. If it is perpendicular line, this formula x1 y1 here, y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. This is perpendicular line, this is parallel line. This is for parallel, this is for perpendicular. Are you getting all of it? Yes, this type of questions we may get that in examination. Next possibility, they will give two lines, L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0. If these lines are parallel, find unknown value k or p. Like this they will ask. If L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, in this line some unknown values are there. If the lines are perpendicular, find k. So what are the conditions for the parallel and perpendicular? For the parallel condition, m1 is equal to m2, their slopes are equal, dear students. This is the condition for the parallel. For the perpendicular, product of whose slopes is equal to minus 1, m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. This is the way. Find perpendicular distance, perpendicular, m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Then if you apply from the line 1, m1 calculate, from the line 2, m2 calculate, and m1 m2 equal to minus 1, you will get it. Perpendicular. So when the lines are perpendicular, you can apply this. When the lines are parallel, you can apply this one. So these are the possibilities. And one more possibilities are there. I will come to you. So if you go like this way, dear students, number of possibilities I am explaining, make a note and write in the notebook also. Otherwise keep with you textbook and write it. So these are the two questions, more problems are there, more concepts are there. Length of perpendicular, mod d is equal to mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Length of perpendicular drawn from the point P. So the figure will come like this, dear students. P of x comma y to the line ax plus by plus c. Perpendicular distance formula they will ask. After that, distance between parallel lines. Distance between parallel lines. So what is the formula? Distance between parallel lines, mod c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. Number of times they asked this type of question. Keep in mind, dear students, all of you. Number of times they asked this question. So you can utilize. D is equal to distance between parallel lines. When you have to apply this formula, whenever in the given lines x and y coefficients are equal, then only you can apply this formula. If not given, you can make it into the equal. Suppose for example, 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. 6x plus 8y minus 3 equal to 0. Suppose like this equations are given. Both are parallel lines only. But they are asking to find distance between parallel lines. I said that you have to apply this formula. When you have to apply this formula, whenever x and y coefficients are equal in both the lines, then you can apply. Suppose if not, what you have to do is make x and y coefficients are equal and then apply. So this equation multiplying by 2, so it will be turned up into the 6x plus 8y minus 4 equal to 0. And second equation is as it is, 6x plus 8y minus 3. This you have to compare with ax plus by plus c1. This is ax plus by plus c2. c1 value minus 4, c2 value minus 3. Substitute in this. This is a value, this is b value. Substitute in this and get it answer, dear students. Okay, I have to understand. Distance between parallel lines. Distance, perpendicular distance from the point to the line. After that, they will give two lines, L1 equal to 0. When the lines are in this form, ax plus by plus c, or a1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2. So they are asking to find cos theta angle, means you can apply mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. When you have to ask this, whenever it is, and whenever the lines are like this. Suppose particularly if they are asking find tan theta problem, tan theta. When the lines are in this form, y is equal to m1x plus c1, y is equal to m2x plus c2. Sometimes this type of problems in the 4 marks also. So tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. These are the possibilities from the straight lines. Even reflection of the lines also they will ask. In the second exercise itself it is there. Find the reflection of the line x is equal to 1 with respect to y-axis. So like this it will be. X is equal to 1, line is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 1 unit. No. Reflection means exactly same distance but in the negative direction. X is equal to minus 1 is the line. Even if you draw the figure also they can understand and they will give the marks without writing any statement. But according to the question you draw the proper figure and get it marks. So these are the possibilities for first two questions. What are the other possibilities? Just I will explain one by one. So first two questions completed, dear students. Now we will enter into the question number 3 and 4. What is question number 3? In the question number 3 here, 3D geometry. Question number 3, 3D geometry question. In the 3D geometry question, in the first exercise, 5A exercise, if you go there, collinear question. They will give 3 points, A, B, C. Collinear. Show that the points are collinear. This type of question you can prepare. First possibility. Next, second possibility, they will give ABC. They are asking to form an equilateral triangle. Form an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So, to form the equilateral triangle, AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. Distance calculate and get it answer. Okay. Collinear means 3 points they will give. Now, how to prove the points are collinear? A point is 3-dimensional geometry. X1, Y1, Z1. So, determinant of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. If you prove this value 0, don't write directly 0. Consider this determinant and prove that value 0, then the points are collinear. Okay. Now, come to the third possibility. They will give distance between them is 9 units. Among this A point is some, just I am oral question I am telling. 2, 3, 1 and x 1, 3 like this. Just general question. It is not related to textbook. If the distance between them is 9 units, find the value of x. Like this question they will ask dear students. It is there in the first exercise 5A. Okay, I hope you understand. This type of questions will come from the exercise 5A. Now, another possibility in that 3D. In the exercise 5B, what type of questions we may expect? XZ plane divides the line joining of AB. A point, B point they will give now. X1, Y1, Z1, X2, Y2, Z2. XZ plane divides. XZ means which one is absent, Y is absent. So minus Y1 is to Y2. Next, YZ plane divides. YZ means which is absent here, X. Minus X1 is to X2. ZX plane. So ZX already covered. YZ. Next, XY plane. XY plane divides. XY means which one is absent? Z is absent. Minus Z1 is to Z2. This type of question possibility is there. They are asked number of times. Okay. After that, centroid of the triangle. Centroid of triangle ABC. Next, tetrahedron. Centroid of tetrahedron. Centroid of tetrahedron. They will give here ABCD 4 points. This is the direct questions. Sometimes centroid they will give 4, 2, 2 is the centroid of the triangle. Then find third vertex of the triangle. C. Coordinates they are asking. Question mark. Even here also centroid of tetrahedron is given. Centroid of tetrahedron is given. They are asking to find fourth vertex of the tetrahedron. So I hope you understand here. X1 plus X2 plus X3 by 3. Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 by 3, Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 by 3. Here, 4 vertices are there now. X1 plus X2 plus X3 plus X4 by 4. Y1 plus Y2 plus Y3 plus Y4 by 4. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 plus Z4 by 4. Like this way it will come. Dear students, I hope you understand. And last possibility in this. Fourth, last one. In the parallelogram, A point, B point, C point they will give. They will ask to calculate fourth vertex. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose successive vertices are, successive points are given A, B, C. So to get the fourth vertex of parallelogram, midpoint of AC, midpoints of diagonals bisect each other, AC and BD. Midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. This is the way you can go, dear students. You will get it compulsorily. Okay. These are the possibilities from 3D chapter, 3D geometry. So these are the possibilities. Compulsory you should work out these models. 100% you will get it. No doubt about it. From these concepts only the question will be. And one more possibility is there. They are asking to find collinear, and in B is dividing the line segment AC in what ratio? That question also they will ask. The chances are there to ask. So that is easy to calculate. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, like this way you can do it. Even go through my videos also in the 3D geometry I have given. In separate playlist I kept 2 videos. We'll move on to the question number 4. In the question number 4, what type of problems are there? Here maximum 5-6 models are there. In the question number 4, in question number 4, plane chapter. In the question number 4, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. First plane means a1, b1, c1 and d1. Second plane, a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. First possibility, find the angle between the planes cos theta equal to formula mod a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Second one, ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0, they will give no. Reduce into the intercept form. Reduce into intercept form. What is the intercept form of this equation? You can reduce into x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. This equation to this equation you have to reduce. This type of question. Sometimes in this case directly they will give. Find the equation of the plane in the intercept form whose x-intercept a is equal to 1, whose y-intercept b is equal to 2, whose z-intercept c is equal to 4. So in place of ABC substitute 1 to 4 and get it answer. This is a direct question, this is indirect question. Next one, they will give this equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Find DCs of the plane, normal to the plane. Find DCs of the normal to the plane. Whenever the equation is given like this, no? How to find out the DCs? Directly I am giving the formula for you. A by root of a square plus b square plus c square, comma b by root of a square plus b square plus c square, c by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the way you can find direction cosines when the plane is given like this way. So find the DCs of the normal to the plane. Sometimes how they will ask is this equation reduce into the normal form. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Reduce into normal form. Reduce into the normal form. How to reduce normal form? In the straight line topic we have already. Dividing, so first this constant you can take outside. Ax plus by plus cz is equal to minus d. Here I want to get plus, no, each and every term multiplying by minus. So minus ax minus by minus cz equal to d. Dividing on both sides by. Dividing on both sides by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So then it will be turned up into the Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. This form is called normal form of the plane. Normal form of the plane, dear students. L, M, N are called direction cosines. These are called. This is L, this is M, this is N. Direction cosines of the plane. I hope you understand. Still, those who are watching, dear students, please share to your friends, other college friends and all. They can utilize. This is the way you can plan. 100% you will get success. 75 surely it will come. Why? Because we are not missing any concept. Every concept we are covering. This is the way you can plan. You can prepare. Okay. Here more two possibilities are there that I will explain. Just I am going to rub this. Be patient and do it. Agree. So the coming concept is one shot two birds. Means the same one formula a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. One is find the equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and parallel to ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is one type of question. They will give one point and one plane. Find the parallel plane. Find the parallel plane. So that time we can apply this formula. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. You can apply. So now, what are the another possibility to ask this? If the direction ratios of the plane ABC, direction ratios of the normal to the plane ABC are given and it is passing through x1, y1, z1, then again this formula. Find the equation of plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and parallel to this plane, same formula. Equation of plane whose direction ratios normal to the plane are ABC and passing through x1, y1, z1 is also this formula. Keep in mind, dear students, this type of question we may expect. So prepare thoroughly these possibilities from geometry. So 4 questions completed. Now I will enter into the calculus part, limits. Yeah. While making comments, dear students, please, you understand that whoever it is, next question number 5 to question number 10. What type of questions I am going to explain now? In the question number 5 and 6, limits, dear students. Question number 5 and 6. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x is equal to a based on this formula. Limit x tends to 0, tan ax by ax that is equal to a. Limit whatever formulas I am writing, based on these formulas we have the questions. Limit x tends to 0, e power ax minus 1 divided by x is equal to a. Whatever x coefficient is there, that only answer will come. This formula is number of times. Directly they ask the questions. Evaluate limit x tends to 0, e power 3x minus 1 by x. Like this they will ask the question for 2 marks. So the answer, first write this formula and then write direct answer, you will get 2 marks, dear students. So the answer is 3. Suppose one other question is there, example, e power 7x minus 1 by x. So answer is what? 7. These type of questions we may expect. Next, limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a to the base e. In place of a, e is there. Limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Sir, how it will be? It is log a to the base e, how it will be? Log value is 1. In place of a, e is there, no? So here also e, if you take log e to the base e, that value is 1. Log of any number to the base of same number is always equal to 1. Okay, dear students. Next, these are the formulas. All the formulas we can apply. And one more, limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus ax divided by x, which is equal to a, x coefficient, whatever x coefficient is there, no, that only answer will come. For example, in the public exam previously it is given, limit extends to 0, log of 1 plus 5x divided by x. First you write, we know that this formula, we know that limit extends to 0, log 1 plus ax by x is equal to a. So here a value is what? 5. So answer is 5. This is the way you can. And moreover, examples before exercise 8c, you need to practice. Why? Because all our important questions are there. Example 3, example 4, example 5, 6, 7, 8. All examples are important. It is given in the previous exams. And in place of 5th and 6th questions, another possibility is based on not only these formulas but also limit extends to 0, 0 plus 2 into mod x by x plus 1. Show that it is equal to 3. Like this the question they will ask. Show that limit extends to 0 plus 2 into mod x by x. Here solution is very easy. When x tends to 0 plus x is greater than 0, whenever x is greater than 0, mod x will become x. So in place of mod x you can write as x get cancelled. X tends to 0 means x is equal to 0, substitute 2 into 1 plus 0 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 only, no? So these type of questions, and not only this one, limit extends to 2 plus or 2 minus mod x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Show that. These type of questions. Oh, sorry dear students. Okay, are you able to understand? And moreover, the problems which are related to trigonometry, these type of questions, based on applying the transformations, sin c minus sin d, sin c plus sin d, these type of questions we may expect in the public exam, dear students. So after that, 1 minute. This is the way you can. Limit extends to 2 minus mod x minus 2 by x minus 2. No? So later you can go through the exercise 4. Infinite limits. Standard limits are there. Limit extends to infinity. 8 mod x plus 3x divided by 3 mod x plus 2x or minus 2x. These type of questions you observed in the textbook. 8D exercise, dear students. Limit extends to infinity. 8 mod x plus 3x by 3 mod x minus 2x. These type of questions. When x is tending to infinity, mod x belongs to plus x. X tends to infinity means x is absolutely greater than 0. When x is greater than 0, mod x is equal to what? X. So when mod x is equal to x, it will become 11x by limit extends to infinity 11x by x, 8 into x plus 3 into x by 3x minus 2x. X get cancelled, limit extends to infinity 11 equal to 11. So this is the way you can. Okay dear students, these are the possibilities in the 2 marks question. Especially you concentrate on 8C. This is my sincere suggestion. You can go through 8C exercises. If the problems which are related to limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx by 1 minus cos 2nx. These type of problems are there. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx divided by 2x square. Like this questions also there. You can approach, you can go through, dear students. Okay. Now we will enter into differentiation. In the differentiation, what type of questions? That I am going to explain. It will take time, dear students, but be patient and listen. In the question number 7 and 8 category, question number 7 and 8 differentiation. In the differentiation, we have the possibilities. First, product rule, d by dx of u into v related. First exercise 9a. First bit only we have the questions. U into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Next, quotient rule problems. Dx by dy, d by dx of u by v. In the denominator v square, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. So these are the possibilities. UV rule. Next, what type of questions is before exercise 9c? Before exercise 9c, the problems, examples, very very important, dear students. Keep in mind and practice. In 2 marks, we cannot expect here what type of question, but what type of questions, what concept based they will ask, we can expect these concepts. D by dx of, suppose they will ask like this. If y is equal to a power 2x into x square, find dy by dx or find y dash. Otherwise, if y is equal to ax plus b divided by cx plus d, then find dy by dx. Suppose they are asking to find, for example, if f of x is equal to log of secant x plus tan x, then find dy by dx, find f dash of x, then find f dash of x. And if we go to 9c exercise, substitution method questions. If y is equal to sin inverse of 4x minus 4x cube, find dy by dx. Similarly, y is equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, find dy by dx. Some questions, y is equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, find dy by dx. These are called substitution method of differentiation. Some questions, x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280, then find dy by dx. Parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation. Some question, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, find dy by dx. This is also parametric differentiation. Differentiate with respect to theta, differentiate with respect to theta, dx by d theta, dy by d theta calculate. After that, dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta whole divided by dx by d theta. Okay, these are the possibilities. And logarithmic problem also they will ask. How they will ask is, if y is equal to e power a sin inverse x, then show that dy by dx equal to y by ay by root 1 minus x square. In 9c exercise, I think third problem or second problem, you can go through once in the first bit only, this type of question. And one example, standard question, if y is equal to x power x, then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Same question if they will ask f of x equal to x power x, then find f dash of x. And moreover, like this also they will ask, find the derivative of 5 power x plus 3 sin x plus e power x. Like this they will ask the question. Find the derivative of this function. So each and every term you have to differentiate, that's all. My suggestion, dear students, first go through the formulas of differentiation. Most of the students, they will fear about calculus part. Calculus part is very easy when the formulas are thorough. Conditions apply. If you thorough the formulas, no, you can play with the problems. Otherwise, it will be reversed. Newton third law it will be like physics in physics way. So if you thorough the formulas, you are able to do that any question. Not only learning the formulas, where to apply, how to apply, by practicing it will come. It is not easy, by practicing it will come. So okay. Now these are the possibilities. Now come to application of derivatives. These are the question number 7 and 8, substitution method and parametric differentiation, applying the UV formula, U by V formula, these type of questions. Now if we come to question number 9 and question number 9 and 10. What type of questions it will come? Question number 9 and question number 10. That I will give here clearly. After that we will enter into the short answers. Short answers, long answers is very easy. Within half an hour I will finish it. That one. Now question number 9 and question number 10. Question number 9, absolutely errors and approximations. Errors and approximations. Chapter number 10. Both the questions coming from chapter number 10. In the chapter number 10, 10A exercise, dear students. Question number 10, question number 9. Errors, approximations, 3 types of questions they will ask. In that one question is, find, they will give y is equal to f of x value they will give, delta x value also they will give. They are asking to find delta y and also dy. This type of question, first possibility in the question number 9. If you are perfect in this, you are able to attempt question number 9. Delta y formula, f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Dy formula is f dash of x into delta x. I already given in the playlist, application of derivatives complete exercise. Each and every question I explained, go to. And what is the second possibility to ask from these errors and approximations? Percentage error questions. Percentage error, relative error. Sir, what is these values? Only error or absolute error. I will write the formulas. Delta y by y into 100, like this way. Delta y by y. These type of questions are there, no? If the side of the square is increasing at the percent of 2% of the increase, then find the area of the percentage increase, like these questions. And what about the third possibility? The third possibility here, I am writing, the third possibility, find the approximate value of square root of 82. Find the approximate value of cube root of 999. Find the approximate value of square root of 25.02. Like this question they will ask their students. These type of questions. For this, how to do means, this type of questions, what is the formula? First, root 82, it is a square root, no? Square root nearby 82, what is the perfect square? 81 only, no? So we can write 82 can be written as root 81 plus 1. Among these two, which one is big that you can take as x? Which one is small that you can take as delta x? So x value, delta x value, we got it. But function not given, no? How to get the function? F of x is equal to given value, whatever it is given, no? That number you can take as x. But don't confuse, this value x is different, this is x different. So root, in place of 82, what we have to keep it is x. So f dash of x calculate, differentiate with respect to x. Root x derivative is what? 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So now, f of x is root x, f dash of x is 1 by 2 root x. How to find out approximate value of the function? Approximate of f of x is defined as f of x plus delta x is the formula. This is x, this is delta x. That's what I am writing. This approximate value equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. F of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. If you apply this, you will get the answer, dear students. Number of examples I have given. Please go through. Not only this one. Cube root of 65 is also there. We can write it as approximately cube root of 64 plus 1. This is x, this is delta x. 64 means 4 power 3. We can write it. For this type of question, f of x we can write it as f of x is equal to cube root of x. That's all. Cube root of x means what? X power 1 by 3. You get. Do you understand, all of you? This type of question. Question number 9. These three possibilities are there. 100% from that it will come. Sometimes, if not from this, from tangent and normals, you can approach length of tangent, length of subnormal, length of subtangent. That cases will come, dear student. That's all. We'll move on to the another concept. Now, question number 10 I am going to explain. Question number 9 is over. In the question number 10, this belongs to, I think, 10H or 10G or 10E. Question number 10, first preference Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, strictly increasing, decreasing. Sometimes in the March 2020, I think, they asked definition of strictly increasing, decreasing, the definitions. Even, increasing, decreasing, particular exercise I kept in 2 videos. Go through, dear students, you will get it 100%. The definitions and examples also I given in the playlist. Rolle's theorem written. Sometimes they will ask not only Rolle's theorem application, but also that statement, state Rolle's theorem or Rolle's theorem, state Lagrange's mean value theorem. Once go through, your lecturers already given in the notes, I think. Otherwise, go to any Star Q book or any model papers, they also given. In the coming days, within 3-4 days, I am going to keep all 2015 to 2020, all model papers also I will put in that channel for the students' convenience. At least you can cover that all model papers also, easy to get it pass marks. Okay, these are the 3 possibilities from the question number 10, dear students. So these are the VSCQ segments. Now VSCQ segment over. Now we will enter into SAQs. In the SAQs, section 1 is over now. Now section B. In the section B, what type of questions? Section B. Question number 11. Question number 11 related to locus. On chapter locus, your focus is very much required, dear students. I hope you understand. What type of questions here you need to practice? The first preference question is area of triangle PAB is 9 units, 2 units, 8.5 units. These type of questions we have in the area of triangle. For that, you can apply the formulas half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 8.5. Like this way we can apply and get it. So area of triangle question, that is. Second possibility, right angled triangle. Triangle PAB is right angle. In the right angle also, so point P is here, A, B. The end points of the hypotenuse they will give 0, 6, 6, 0, or another question 0, 4, 4, 0. Find the locus of P which makes a right angle at the point P. So that time you can apply right angle triangle means PA square plus PB square is equal to AB square, right angle problem. This is Pythagoras theorem only, know. Most of the students don't know about it. Pythagoras theorem application you can apply. Otherwise, another method how to do, PA slope calculate, slope PA by applying y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, m1. PB slope calculate, slope PB, slope of PB, m2. These two are perpendicular means two lines are perpendicular. PA is perpendicular to PB. That implies M1, M2 equal to -1. So both the slopes conditions. M1 value we have, M2 value we have now. After writing here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x comma y. After that, if you multiply this and simplify, you will get one locus. That is only required locus. So first possibility, area of triangle. Second possibility, right angle triangle concept. Next, third one, difference of distances. Difference of distances. The third one, PA minus PB is equal to 6 units or PA minus PB equal to 5 units. Fourth possibility, PA plus PB is equal to 8. PA plus PB equal to 8. Sum of the distances. How to proceed? I already given 6 to 7 videos in the locus chapter. Once you go through the students, the easy procedure, everything I explained clearly. If possible, in my free time, I will keep all the topics in the playlist in the description. So these are the possibilities. Next, fifth one, ratio problem. PA is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3. One example, one exercise question. Two questions only there, dear students. This type of question. Here also two questions are there. Difference of the distances, sum of the distances. And here area of triangle, ratio of the problem. PA is to PB equal to 2 by 3 means PA by PB is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiply and simplify. Squaring all both sides, you will get it answer. Last possibility, they will give the condition, they are asking to find locus. So PA square plus PB square is equal to 2PC square they will give. They are asking to find the locus 7x minus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. This type of questions is the last question in the exercise locus. These type of questions you prepare. These are the possibilities of the locus question. There is no other question they will ask. Only these 6 possibilities. Any of them you can. So practice sincerely, thoroughly these questions. Now come to transformation of axis. In the transformation of axis, we have question number 12. Transformation of axis. One is transformation, another one is rotation. The transformation is related to small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Only 2 questions we have, dear students, did this. In the exercise 2a, second chapter, no? 2a, second bit. If you observe that, second bit or third bit. They will give shifted origin. H comma k is the shifted origin. Given original equation, standard equation, that means a transformed equation. Find original. First you understand that whether the given equation is transformed or original. If the given transformed, find original, they will ask no. So that time you can assume that given one is capital letters. Find original means given is capitals. In the question paper, they won't give that in terms of capital letters. You have to understand and write it as a capital letters, dear students. You remember. Okay. Next, h comma k transformed equation they will give and find out. H comma k they will give another type of question. They will give original equation. They are asking to find transformed equation. Find a transformed equation. In this case, capital X is equal to small x minus h. You write it. In this case, original equation of small x is equal to capital X plus h. And not only capital X here, capital Y is equal to small y minus k. Small y is equal to capital Y plus k. You can apply respective problems, respective answers will come. Transformed is given to get original equation. These are the application. These are the formulas. Shifted origin is given, original equation is given, they are asking to find a transformed, you can apply these formulas. Okay. Now, in question number 12, translation of axis is over. Now, rotation of axis. In the rotation of axis, you need to remember this box. Everyone knows about this box. Capital X, capital Y, small x, small y. In this corner, cos theta. Here minus sin theta. Here sin theta. Okay. These are the cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta. Okay, dear students. From this, here also two possibilities of questions. One possibility is they will give transformed equation. Rotation of angle they will give. They will give transformed equation. They are asking to find original. Only one question is there. That one question is 17x square question only. Minus 16xy plus 17y square equal to 225. That question is there. Whenever this question comes, always keep in mind capital X, capital Y is given. They are asking to find original, small x, small y. So capital X, from this you can write it as capital X is equal to, you close this one, small x into cos theta plus small y into sin theta. Capital Y equal to x into minus sin theta. So minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Apply these values and get it. In the section 2, in that exercise 2a, other than first question, it's the second question, the remaining three questions are given theta value, original is given, they are asking to find transformed equation. So in place of small x and small x is equal to get small x, capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, small y equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Okay, dear students, these are the formulas you can apply from this transformation of axis and locus. You will get it. These are the possibilities of transformation of axis. So now we will move on to the straight lines. Third question. In the third question, that means third question is 13th question. Question number 13. Straight lines. It is related to straight lines. They will give three lines, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, L3 equal to 0. If the lines are concurrent, find unknown value k. If the lines are concurrent, find the condition. First one. What is the second possibility? They will give L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 lines and angle between them is 45 degrees. Then find k. So this time we can apply tan theta formula. Tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Sir, why sir we are only applying tan theta? Why can't cos theta? You can apply. But better to go for tan theta. It is very easy. According to my experience, I am saying it's a tan theta is well and good. So this is one possibility. This is second possibility. Third one is find the points on the line. They will give one line. Find the points on the line. This is the line. L is equal to 0. Find the points on the line, this point, which is at a distance of 5 units from the given point at 3, minus 2. Just example I am saying now. Find the points on the line, which is at a distance of 5 units from this point, given line, and making an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. So parametric equations you can apply, dear students. X, y equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Okay. After that, this is the third possibility. Fourth one, everyone knows about this one. 1 by p square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Find, first they will give ax plus by plus c equal to 0 equation. They are asking to reduce it to the normal form. Further 2 marks. From normal form to show that 1 by b square equal to 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Further 2 marks. Converting from this to this normal form, 2 marks. From normal form to this one you will get 2 marks. 4 marks question. Okay. And another possibility. Find foot of perpendicular. 3, 4 to that line 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Find the image of the line. Image of the point. Image of the point 1, 2 with respect to the line x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So both the formulas you know that foot of the perpendicular and image. Applying the formulas and getting the values of h, k, then image and foot of the perpendicular questions will come. So straight lines, another possibility. Number of possibilities are there. Like this, if you go through concept wise. In the last exercise I am telling about 4 marks question here. Find the equation of line. Find equation of line passing through point of intersection of L1 equal to 0, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0, and which is perpendicular to another line. In the same category, find the equation of line passing through point of intersection of lines L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 and parallel to L is equal to 0. These type of questions. And in this same category, find the equation of line passing through point of intersection of the lines L1 equal to 0 and L2 equal to 0 and whose intercepts are equal. Whose x-intercept and y-intercepts are equal. Like these questions are there, dear students. Keep in mind and practice. 4 marks questions. These are the possibilities. Okay. Image problem indirectly also they will give. How they will ask is a point they will give 1, 2. This line is given. That means x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Find the coordinates of the point P. Point B. If the perpendicular bisector is x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Like this way they will ask indirectly the image formula. Whenever it is perpendicular bisector, the midpoint lies on this line, dear students. You remember, B is indirectly image of this point A. Whenever it is perpendicular bisector. Okay? Keep in mind. So these are the possibilities and collinear, here already concurrent lines I said. And in the first exercise itself, these are parametric equations, parallel perpendicular lines. So, okay. Tan theta problems. Now we will come to the limits and continuity. In the limits and continuity 4 marks question, we have very less questions. Continuity concepts. In the 9 continuity means 8E exercise. Question number 14. Limits and continuity. In the limits and continuity, dear students, 8E exercise, I am expecting third bit. Question number 2, 3 and question number second bit. Question number 1, question number 3 and question number 5. These possibilities are there for finding continuity concept. Continuity of the function. So f of a is equal to limit extends to a f of x. These type of questions. Left continuity, right continuity. Once you go through that 8E exercise, last exercise in the limits, continuity concept. Third bit, question number 1 also we can, if you want to practice. 2, 3, but standard questions which are, you can prepare. Any doubts are there, you can write to my comment box and I will provide the link of that particular topic. Now question number 15, differentiation now. In the question number 15, differentiation, 99%, 90% possibility, first principle. What is the first principle of differentiation? First principle of differentiation is dy by dx is equal to f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Most of the students, they forget to write limit h tends to 0. If you do not write this limit, there is no meaning in this. Dear students, keep in mind very important thing. Most of the, I observed when I am correcting the papers, the students are not writing limit h tends to 0. So dy by dx equal to f dash of x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. What type of questions are there for this? Possibilities. X sin x, secant 3x, next tan 2x, fourth one cos square x, fifth one root x plus 1, sixth one x cube plus 4. These category questions, this type of, even cot x also if you want, seventh one cot x. By using first principle you can do, dear students. Even first principle separately one video is there in our playlist. Once you go through, based on this it will come. Suppose other than first principle, what questions they will ask? Parametric differentiation question. The questions which are lengthy for 4 marks. Parametric differentiation, logarithmic differentiation. Suppose the question is e power x minus y equal to x power y. Find dy by x. Show that dy by x equal to log x by 1 plus a log x whole square. Like these questions are there. Sin of a plus y is equal to x into sin y. Sin a. Find the derivative. Dy by x. Show that equal to. Like these questions are there. You can prepare your students. Parametric, logarithmic, and implicit function also. X cube plus y cube plus 3axy is equal to 0. Then find dy by dx. This type of questions. Example question is there, x power 4 plus y power 4 minus a into xy equal to 0. Then find dy by dx. So applications of implicit function differentiation, dear students. You can apply. Otherwise, one other question. F of x they will give, g of x also they will give. Differentiate with respect f of x with respect to g of x. Differentiate f of x with respect to g of x. Like these questions. So that time f dash of x by g dash of x, you can apply the formula and get it answer. So I am expecting from these and we may get the differentiation question. Okay. Now we will enter into tangent of normals or rate measure. Rate measure no need to explain because from that only one exercise we have. From that compulsory one question will come. But what type of question, that I will discuss here. In the question number 16, in the question number 17. Question number 16 is tangent normals. They will give one curve y is equal to f of x, whatever it may be, x of x. Example questions also given number of times, keep in mind and practice. They will give one point also. Find equation of tangent. Find equation of normal. Equation of tangent, equation of normal. This type of question they will ask you. For example, the number of examples are there. We cannot discuss all the things. Why? Because I want to explain, cover all the questions now. So this type of question. In that another possibility, they will give y is equal to x is equal to parametric concepts. A into 1 plus cos theta, otherwise t plus sin theta and a into 1 minus cos theta. Then find length of tangent, length of normal. So first dx by dt, dy by dt calculate, dy by dx also calculate, later length of tangent, length of normal. Okay, these type of category questions in the 4 marks. In question number 17, rate measure. In that, cube problems are there. The rate of change of surface area of the cube and volume of the cube. Volume and surface area. Volume of the cube, v equal to x cube. Surface area is s is equal to 6x square. Some students they are asking what is s, what is v? Volume of the cube. Volume of the surface area of the cube. Differentiate with respect to t. dv by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Here also ds by dt differentiate with respect to 6 into x square derivative 2x into dx by dt. After that, whatever the given information is there, you can substitute and get it answer. One example, one exercise question is there. Not only cube, vertical cone problem is there. Vertical cone. Simply cone problem. When the height of the water level changes, what is the rate of change of height of the water level, dh by dt? This type of question. Recently I kept 2 to 3 months back the video belongs to rate measure. 2 videos I kept. First section one video, second section another video. Once you go through these students and get it all answers. This type of questions. And not only this one, if they are asking to, they are giving preference for physics also in that Mathematics-1B. That's all. So they will give s is equal to in terms of t. S in terms of t. They are asking to find ds by dt. That means rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Again differentiate d square s by dt square, that is equal to dv by dt. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. This type of question also they will ask. When the particle comes to the rest, if the particle comes to the rest, the velocity goes to be 0. Like this concept. When and where the velocity goes to be 0. Like this questions also we may expect in this question number 17. So keep in mind, and backside of textbook model paper provided, that also you should practice, dear students. So section B also over. Out of 7 you have to write any 5. These are the possibilities. So keep in mind and take in the textbook or notebooks of it. Now I will enter into question, long answer type questions, which are very important for the students, especially like heart of this Maths-1B paper. Why? Because 35 marks are in the 75. It will be here. So focus on this, especially last segment. We are in the last category section. I will explain different possibilities in this. In the section 3, question number 18, from straight lines. What are the possibilities of the straight lines questions are there? Even in my college also, for my students, I will explain in this way. So you can utilize the first possibility, circumcenter. When points is given, when lines is given. Circumcenter. Orthocenter also same. Orthocenter. Even one example, orthocenter, circumcenter, I kept recently 7 marks straight lines. Once you go through my videos, you will get it. Orthocenter and circumcenter. Next, foot of the perpendicular theorem and image theorem. Both the theorems. Image theorem. So 4 possibilities are over. So more, in the last exercise if you come, tan theta applications are there. M1 minus M2 divided by 1 plus M1 M2 problems. In the last exercise, 3E exercise, second bit, first 3 questions belongs to tan theta only. Next one, in this 4p square plus q square, in the third bit, question number 4. In the 3E exercise, 4p square plus q square equal to a square. These are the probabilities. But in the year of I think 19 or 20, what they given other than this, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 and L3 equal to 0, 3 lines given. They are asking to find angle between them simply. So this is L1, this is L2, this is L3. All the students have struck in their problem. So this is the new question. It is not a new question. If you know the angle between either tan theta or cos theta, you can apply. Find, suppose if you want to apply tan theta, angle between these 2 lines is A. Find out slope of L1, that is M1, slope of L3, that is M2. Angle between them is A, tan A equal to M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. A is equal to tan, you can take this side after simplifying. That only answer. That is not new question. But the students are thinking in that way. Angle between these two is B, tan B equal to, slope of this one is M1, slope of this one is M2, M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Substitute and get it. Angle between these two is C angle. This is M1, this is M2, M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. You can apply. Okay. So these are the possibilities of asking the question from the straight lines. Straight line, circumcenter, orthocenter. Nowadays, if they are asking, suppose extra question like this problem, in center also you can practice. In center of the triangle, I of x comma y equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c. Similarly, ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. What is a, what is b, what is c? AB is equal to small c. Distance between them. BC is equal to small a. AC is equal to small b. Like properties of triangles, it is there no name. The distance is called small a, small b, small c. x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 respective vertices of the triangle. So these are the possibilities of straight lines 7 marks question from this one question guarantee. So straight lines completed. Now we will enter into the pair of straight lines. Question number 19. So pair of straight lines. In that pair of straight lines, two questions we have. Two questions. One another question. Two questions. No, one question is exercise 4C. Homogenizing problems. Damn sure question in the question paper. Question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 19 is other than. Number of possibilities are there. But question number 20, homogenizing. Homogenizing. These are the problems. Homogenizing problems. Once you go through 4C exercise, surely very easy questions. Now come to question number 19. What questions are there? Cos theta theorem. First thing, cos theta theorem. Next, h into x square minus a square y square equal to a minus b into xy. Perpendicular bisectors theorem. Next, area of triangle n square into root of h square minus ab by mod am square minus 2hlm plus bl square. Area of triangle. Area of triangle theorem. Next, distance between parallel lines 2 root over g square minus ac by a into a plus b. 2 root over b f square minus bc by b into a plus b. Okay, these are the possibilities, dear students. Next, not only this one, S is equal to product of perpendiculars d1 d2 equal to mod a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Even cos theta also theorem is there, you know that already. Once again, a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. Cos theta, d1, d2, these are the possibilities. If we go like this, perfectly you will attempt the question. Other than these standard questions, if they are asking to find one example and exercise problem from 4B, and in 4A also we will discuss. N square by L square plus M square into root 3, like 3 into, this problem is there. In the third bit, dear students, keep in mind that lines are, show that it is an equilateral triangle, LH plus MY whole square into root 3 into, 3 into MX minus LY whole square equal to 0. And the line LH plus MY plus N is equal to 0 forms an equilateral triangle and whose area is this one. Okay, next here. A plus b whole square equal to 4h square. Next, 8h square equal to 9ab. If the slopes are double, one slope is twice of the other, you can. These are the chances. But I am expecting this time, I am expecting h into x square minus y square equal to a minus b into x by, dear students. Keep in mind, I am expecting this problem. Other than next year, they will give two equation 3x square minus 6xy plus 3y square equal to 0 and 3x square minus I think 5xy. 5xy plus 3y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 forms a square. This type of question is there in the exercise and example, dear students. Keep in mind, we may expect. And in the 4A exercise, one pair of lines they will give. One pair of lines like 2y square minus 6xy plus 3x square equal to 0. And another line also given. 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Find area of triangle and centroid. Centroid. For this factorization you apply and get it two equations. Here two equations, here third equation. Solve simultaneously all three and get it the values of A, B, C. Area of triangle you can apply and find out centroid also. You know that how to find out the centroid. These are the possibilities, dear students, you can utilize. Even the centroid, this type of question also I provided. This type of question I didn't make that video. I will give it within 2 days. This question. But remaining all are there in this our channel. So these are the possibilities from pair of straight lines. One is homogenizing surely. Another one is from these possibilities. These many possibilities are there. Even I did not tell one important thing also. What that is, if s is equal to 0, second degree general equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. Delta equal to 0. That means abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. And h square is greater than or equal to ab, g square is greater than or equal to ac, f square is greater than or equal to bc. They are asking to prove this result. This is a very lengthy theorem. Other possibilities are not there, means go for this, students. Why? Because very lengthy theorem. That's why I am not suggesting for you. If you want, you can. Among these 7 questions, sir, I didn't have any other possibility. I have to do this. You can. Okay. So these are the question number 19 and 20 is over. This is question number 20, dear students. Question number 19, these possibilities. Question number 20 is this possibility. Now we will enter into DCs and DRs. Yeah, within 10 minutes I am going to finish. In the question number 21, 6 possibilities, 6 questions, 6 questions. Maximum 7 questions are there. Out of 7, 1 question guaranteed. 2 cube problems are there. Find angle between any two diagonals. Cos inverse of 1 by 3, one problem is there. Example 9. Before exercise 6b, keep in mind, students. Example 9. They are asking to prove the angle between the two diagonals is cos inverse 1 by 3. Another one is cube problem again. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta even. Example, cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4 by 3. Even in the model paper backside of your textbook also given this. Okay. These 2 cube possibilities. Next, element problems. In this element problems, 2 categories. Find angle between the 2 lines. Another one is find the direction and cosines of the lines. Element problems. One is cos theta. Another one is find DCs of the lines, given lines. Cos theta problems, in that 6b exercise, third bit, question number 1 and question number 8, dear students. And DCs, I think question number 3, and example, one example in exercise 6a, in the second bit or third bit, question, only one question is there in that. DCs of the line segment. Suppose if they don't want to ask these 6 possibilities, here 2 questions, here 2 questions, here 2 questions. They will give in the third bit only, I think question number 7 or 6. A point, B point, C point is given. They are asking to find angle A, angle B, angle C. AB direction ratios calculate, BC direction ratios calculate, CA direction ratios calculate. After that, cos A, cos B, cos C. We know that formula in 3-dimensional geometry. A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root of A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Apply this and get it answer. Still any doubts are there, we will conclude that. All DCs, DRs also I kept in one playlist. You can utilize. Okay. Now, question number 21 is over. Now we will enter into question number 22, differentiation. What type of questions are there in the differentiation? Question number 22. Number of possibilities are there. In the question number 22, root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y. And show that dy by dx. Root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square. After that, substitution method of differentiation, which are called tan inverse of root 1 plus x square plus root 1 minus x square by root 1 plus x square minus root 1 minus x square. Then find dy by dx. This is also substitution method. X square is equal to cos 2 theta. So you can apply and you can proceed, dear students. Okay. Later on, substitution method in this 9C exercise, in the second bit, question number 5. Question number 5 in the second bit 9C exercise. Go through compulsory all the problems which are belongs to logarithmics. X power log y is equal to log x. then show that dy by dx equal to. These type of problems are there. And in examples also, x power sin x plus sin x power cos x or sin x power tan x, then find dy by dx. These type of questions. Okay, dear students. One example I kept in my channel that separately 7 marks questions in the differentiation. You once you go through. Next, y is equal to 1 minus 7x whole power 6 by 7. Just example I am writing. This is not exact question. This type of question. 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x whole power 2 by 3 by 1 plus 6x whole power minus 7 by 5. 5x plus 2 whole power 3 by 5. Then find dy by dx. This type of question. Logarithmic differentiation only, dear students. And standard problems. X power y plus y power x is equal to a power b. Then show that dy by dx. And f of x is equal to sine inverse of root of x minus alpha by alpha minus beta. G of x is equal to tan inverse of root of x minus alpha by x minus beta. Then show that f dash of x is equal to g dash of x. In the second order derivatives, if you want, y is equal to sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. Find y double dash. And one more question. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 1. Then find d square y by dx square equal to h square minus ab by hx plus by whole cube. Then show that. And examples before exercise 9D also important for 7 marks or 4 marks. Keep in mind. Examples before exercise 9D. Even that questions also I kept in that channel. They are separate 4 marks and 7 marks differentiation questions. Once you go through the students 9D. These are the possibilities of differentiation 7 marks. Now we will enter into tangent normals. I think this is too lengthy one, but I need to tell that. For every 2 days, this Maths 1B is over now. Next, Maths 2B, second year. For second year or Maths 1A also, after taking 2-3 days, I will. What type of questions I will discuss, dear students, here. Now, question number 22 is over. Now, question number 23. In the question number 23, tangent normals. In the tangent normals, exercise 10B, 10C, 10D, all are important. 10B exercise, what are the related to tangent normal 7 marks questions? Here, in the third bit, in exercise 10B, I am talking about. Question number 1, question number 3, and question number 6 and 7. 6th question is x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3, dear students. 7th one is x power m into y power n is equal to a power m plus n. Then length of tangent is equal to constant. It divides in the equal constant ratio. Here length of tangent is constant a. Here the different questions are there. 1 and 3 also once we go through. Equation of tangent question it is. Equation of tangent at x1 comma y1 to the curve root x plus root y is equal to root a. That question it is. And even this question number 3, I think x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. Then show that the equation. That is also. These are the possibilities from 10B exercise, dear students. Now, in 10C, length of tangent, length of normal, length of subtangent, length of subnormal. Based on this, one LAQ we may expect. Other than this, if they did not ask from this, compulsory LAQ from this. These two possibilities they did not ask. So go for 10D possibility. What is the 10D possibility? Define angle between the two. Define angle between two curves. That is for 2 marks. And they will give two curves C1 and C2. Find angle between them. find angle between them. These are the define angle between the two curves. Definition 2 marks for finding angle. Tan theta application here also, dear students. M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. If you go through like this way, even this separate I kept one video in this channel, that playlist. Tan theta application M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2. Other than this, one more question is there. What question? Examples go through. Before 10D exercise, examples. 2-3 examples are there, very important. Compulsory, you should work out. Examples. So these are the possibilities for tangent and normals. Okay. I hope everyone clear. First, these are the, if they did not cross from here, this possibility. This possibility is not there, this possibility. So we will move on to the last question in the question paper Maths-1B. Question number 24. We are in the last question. After that also 2 minutes I will suggest for some students, those who are not able to prepare all the things, that also I will cover. Question number 24. Maximum and minimum. In the maximum and minimum, maximum 8 to 10 questions are there. In that first preference, find two positive integers, x and y, whose sum is 15, whose sum is 16. Like these questions are there. One example question, one exercise question. Same xy related, xy cube is maximum. Find x comma y. 15 and 45 will come for this. And in the same category, profit function, p of x equal to x into 150 minus x, like this it will be there now. A minus 1500 or 1000. Find the maximum profit. This type of question. In the last exercise, application of derivatives, maximum, minima, 10h or 10g, the last exercise, p of x. These are the first possibility. Next, in the standard questions, rectangular sheet. Recently, live video I kept. Rectangular sheet, 80 cross 30 question, centimeter. Next, right circular cylinder. That also I given in the live video. H is equal to root 2 or question. Next, third one, rectangle surmounted by the semicircle. This is a window problem. The perimeter of the window is 20, like this question. Next, L length y can be divided into two parts. One bent as a square, another bent as a circle. So these 4 possibilities. First preference, second preference. From this only I am expecting chances are there. After that, 2 examples are there. That examples also. In the live video, these 2 completed and these questions also completed. In the coming days, these 2 questions I am going to finish. These 2 questions in the coming days I will. Not exactly tomorrow or after tomorrow, but I will complete it. These 2 also in the live video. Okay? In the examples, based on this selling cost, profit cost, like this one question is there. That is also given in the 2019, I think. So you give preference for examples also, dear students. In the example, rectangle related one question is there. The maximum perimeter of the rectangle is given 20. So the perimeter means 2 times of L into B, no? Like this you can take it and get it. So example problem, rectangle, area, maximum area of the rectangle you can find. Whose perimeter of the rectangle is given 20 units, like this it is. These are the possibilities for the question number 24. I said now what is some hint I will give. Those who are not able to get marks, some students are there. For them I am suggesting 18, 19, 20, 21. Those who are feeling difficult with calculus part. Even calculus part, by practicing maximum minima you may get it. First 4. If you practice this first 4, 18, 19, 20, 21, 7 4s 28 marks will come. and three questions from locus and transformation of x straight lines. Here 12 marks will come. Straight lines 2 and 3D plane, it is easy only, VSAQs 8 plus 12 20 plus 28 48. Minimum marks 48. If you practice only these three, those who are difficult to practice all the chapters, means for them also I am giving one hint. 18, 19, 20, 21, whatever the questions I explained, based on that you can prepare. And question number 11 and 12, 13, 12 marks. And question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 marks. 8 plus 8, 12, 20, 20 plus 28, 48. Minimum 48 will come if you practice thoroughly. So no question of failure in Maths 1B topic. I hope you enjoyed, you got the information from me. In case if any missing, please consider and please excuse me, and you can practice it other questions also. Any doubts are there, keep in the comment box. I will help you in my free time. Thank you all. I hope everyone you can utilize this how to get 75 in Maths 1B in either TS or AP students. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Maths with Panindra. Those who are watching first time, please like and subscribe, share to your friends. Thank you all.